This question is related to meter bridge. So let's draw the diagram. The left side there is a resistance which is X ohm, whereas on the right side it is 25 ohm, and it is connected with a wire of length 1 meter. Consider this AB is the wire of length 1 meter. In the middle there will be a galvanometer, and another end will be connected to a jacky, and the jacky will be placed at a particular point where the galvanometer shows null deflection. So this distance is known as balancing length. So let this be L1 and this will be L2. Okay. So when the bridge is balanced, then the resistors are going to be in a proper ratio. That ratio, let's write in this way. So let this be R1, this be R2. So what is R1? R1 is the resistance provided by the wire of length AJ. So from A to J, the wire will offer some resistance, that is R1. Similarly, from J to B, the wire will give some resistance, that is R2. And it's mentioned that the resistance per centimeter of the wire is R. So let's consider this is case 1. Okay, in the first case, let's write the condition for the balanced bridge. So it is going to be X by R1 equal to 25 by R2. So X by R into L1. So resistance per centimeter is R. So R into L1 will give this R1, which is equal to 25 by R into L2. So this R can be cancelled and we can write X by L1 equal to 25 by L2. So this is the first equation. Now in the second case, the wire is getting replaced. So instead of the resistance per centimeter R, here 2R is used. So how this equation will transform will become X by 2R into L1 dash. We don't know the new balancing length. Let's consider it as L1 dash, which is equal to 25 by 2R into L2 dash. So this L1 dash, L2 dash are new balancing length. Now we can still cancel this 2R. We can write it as X by L1 dash equal to 25 by L2 dash. This is second equation. So if you look at first and second equation, then we can say that L1 dash should be equal to L1. This is the old balancing length, which is 40 centimeter. L1 is the old balancing length. L1 dash is the new balancing length. So from this two equation, we can say that both of them needs to be same. So which means the new balancing length is also equal to 40 centimeter.